Objects within CenarioVR are generally placed on the inside of a sphere that the user is in, and are moved in and out of view by changing the user's field of view, whether by rotating the sphere using the mouse in a browser, or physically moving your head in a VR headset. However, sometimes it's advantageous to have an item always be in the user's field of view, no matter which way they are looking in a scene. For example, you can get the effect of a heads-up display, giving the user feedback on what their current state is. Perhaps you want to let them know how many items they have left to find, or how much time they have left to complete an activity. These are all times when you use the fixed property of an object. An object that is fixed has a relative position within the user's field of view, and is also on a flat plane in that field of view. You'll notice that when you mark an item as fixed, the plane will display, and the sphere will no longer rotate as you move the object around. An important item to note is that the field of view on a browser is much larger than the field of view inside of a VR headset. So if your application will be viewed inside of a headset, be careful not to have too many or too large of items fixed on a scene, as they will cover much of what a user can see in VR.